Our first stop today is the Culsh Earth House. We've tried, I mean, I've been before, just once, but Mattia never has, and we have tried. But I think one time we came and it was under maintenance or something, and then the second time there were bats in the Earth House, so we couldn't enter. So we finally come back again to have a look around. Oh, it's so dark. Yeah. Okay. I'm so scared of spiders. We're just on our way to our second stop, which is the blue Cairn recumbent stone circle. I believe this one is a little overgrown, so I don't know how easily we're going to find it. But sometimes that's part of the fun, right? Having to hunt around and discover these things. There's a lot of forestry activity, so slightly, like, I don't know, concerned is actually a stronger word, that Stone Circle's not been very well looked after, or, I mean, they normally leave it be, but it always just worries me a bit. We must be close. There's stones, and I don't think the forestry has come this far, so my faith has returned. I mean, I have zero archaeological knowledge, so correct me if I'm wrong, but this looks like a cairn, or at least something. It doesn't look super modern. There's this sort of ring or chamber here, and then there's like two like piles of stones. It looks more than, oh, don't bite me, sorry, biting fly. It looks like more of a more than just a clearance cairn, and the recumbent that is just nearby is called Blue Cairn Recumbent, so let me know. But there's nothing on the megalithic map, and there's nothing on my OS map, so I'm not sure. Any critter that can bite, whether it's a mosquito, a midge, or a biting fly, they just love me. They seek me out and they bite me, and I react really quite badly to bites. So whenever anything lands on me, I see anything land on me, I'm like, no, please God, don't don't bite me. Was really special. I think considering it's really overgrown and it's definitely been disturbed, it's really not very intact at all. I think seeing it with all the flowering foxgloves growing up through it. It's really pretty. Feels quite like magical in there. We've just stopped at Pronie Loch for lunch. We're just looking for a spot now. It's been a couple of years since we stopped here. Well, we stopped at a neighbouring loch called Loch, and it was just after I'd handed in my PhD thesis. So I didn't really film anything because my brain was scrambled, but it was completely covered in ice, the whole thing. It was really beautiful. So I'll try and fit some pictures in. Thought we might as well make a quick stop at the Loch as well, seeing as we're here.